Hey guys, it's Corey again over at Cyber Strategies AI. Today we're taking a look at the method that I was using, the transformer that I was using, and I'll bring that bad boy back up here, showing you this thing. This is my transformer service where I go from go high level and I'm trying to get rid of the custom webhook. The custom webhook costs penny and a half, something like that to execute. So jumping over here to this transformer service, which I've built on webhook.site, and then it actually makes the call there. So what I'm seeing today, I did some load testing on it, if you will, just running it like I would. I loaded 30,000 leads over to Air.ai and didn't get, not all the leads showed up over here. So I found that I was getting that this was working to there, but then from here over to Air, for some reason, I was not getting, it was timing out. And I don't know what was, I think it just was that this can take a while to actually respond. This was only giving 500 milliseconds. So I've increased the timeout and also put in some retries. So I don't know exactly how many retries are being done, have been done, but I'll show you the errors that I was getting. So I was getting these errors right here. These are timeout after 5,001 milliseconds, which is right at half a second, just a millisecond over. Sometimes it went 5,005. You can see here that they were, a little bit over that. The request doesn't show anything because I don't think they store any of that data. Here's the error log. I got a bunch of them and just ran the test a little while ago. The interesting piece was that sometimes I was getting some responses back at 3.5 seconds, so forth. What I ended up doing to solve this problem was I went to here and went back into my custom actions here to this HTTP request. When I send it out, I clicked on advanced. I set the timeout to 6 seconds. So this will actually wait 6 seconds instead of 500 milliseconds, which appears to be the default. And then I also told it to retry and wait 1 second between retries, which I think what it would do is the timeout would occur and then it would, I guess, wait 1 second here. So I'm not entirely sure if I don't know the interaction between the 6 seconds and the delay here. But I also said that, the valid status code that you're looking for is a 200. That's what Air returns when you get when you get a positive response back that it put the lead in or whatever. In any case, it will only retry 3 times, but it will retry, and with a 6-second timeout on each one of those retries. So let's say one of these you actually took like 7 seconds for Air to put the lead in the list, then you could get an error, you could get a response back from Air at 7 seconds, but you've already timed out. So now you turn around, you try to put the lead on the list again. Well, at that point, you won't get a 200 status if the lead's already on the list. You'll get 404 or whatever status it returns when the lead's already on the list. So basically, this is just a retry mechanism and a wider timeout is what I've done here. Letting it know that the valid code status is a 200. You can also replace this with an asterisk. If there were 200 and some, 201, 202, 203, it would match that also. So I'm just going to leave it at 200, but it would just make that last digit a wild card.